It is with great sadness that I announce the passing of my father. He was very much loved and will be missed. The obituary will be at the end of this video. I debated whether I would want to make this video so public, but I think he would get a kick out of it. My dad's entire career was as a copywriter in the advertising industry, spanning many decades. My childhood was like a masterclass in advertising as campaigns were discussed at the dinner table on a regular basis. Dad wrote his own obituary. I did not change the wording per his request. I am surprised he left out things like his concert piano playing and radio show in the 50s. Dad requested no memorial service, so this is my tribute to him. Let's make a memorial candle using sublimation and engraving. At the end, I will post his entire career timeline in the advertising industry as he laid it out. If we haven't met yet, I am Kimberly Patterson, and I teach candle makers how to create candle art using sublimation and engraving. For this project, we are engraving 2 candles using 2 engraving techniques and Sublimate 1. I created this engraved design in Gemini and imported it into Canva to add my text. My dad loved gardenias. I created both an engraved file and a sublimated file for this gardenia, which will be the centerpiece of the memorial candle. I settled on the Autumn and Alice font for this design. Let's engrave first. To engrave this file, download from Canva and import it directly into the engraving software. I am downloading 2 files. One is for a white vessel and a black one. The white vessel is using a 1064 fiber laser with 100 power and 8 depth. On white, you will need to use your fiber laser as your diode will not engrave on a white vessel. For the black vessel, we are using our diode laser, but we are doing something special. We are inverting the design. This will create a bolder glow-through effect when the candle is lit or under a candle lamp. Take a special note that for the lettering to engrave inverted, I need to change it to white on the download. Dad requested wickless candles regularly for his candle lamp, so I will make both candles wickless. Next, I'm going to sublimate the other side of the engraved white vessel, creating a 2-sided candle. One of my favorite things to create is a double-sided candle, one side sublimated and the other engraved. Same design, 2 effects. When engraving one side and sublimating the other, cover the engraved part of your vessel with butcher paper before you shrink wrap your vessel for the oven. For step-by-step details on sublimation, see my playlist on sublimation, where we go step-by-step slowly so you can follow along. We bake the shrink-wrapped vessel in the sublimation oven for 6 minutes, 390 degrees, and then let it cool 30 minutes before unwrapping it. Next, we fill with fragrance and wrap, and we have 2 beautiful memorial candles. Same design, but 3 different techniques. Sublimation, engraved, and inverted engraving on our black vessel. My favorite for this project is the sublimated white vessel, where color makes the design pop. Engraving is a nice extra pop under candle lamps. Sublimated and engraved candles are dishwasher safe, a keepsake that will be treasured for years to come. So we conclude with my father's career timeline as laid out by him as his final farewell. His life spanned 96 years from 1929 to 2026, and the number of changes in quality of life and technology is staggering. My father embraced technology and used his Mac computer every day. He would have loved self-driving cars for sure and would have had no problem navigating the computer screen. A life well lived. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on The Candle Artist Way. We create candle art to highlight life's moments and bring joy, comfort, and peace for those who appreciate beauty and remembrance.